In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively share a project link using Canva. If you're ready to make sure your projects are easily accessible to anyone, let's dive in. First things first, let's open up Canva. If you're new to Canva, it's an amazing platform for designing just about anything: beautiful social media posts, eye-catching presentations, and engaging infographics. Once you've opened Canva and are logged into your account, you'll want to make sure your project is ready. Double-check your design to ensure it's polished and exactly how you want it. This way, when you share it, your audience will see your work at its best. Now, the next step is crucial for sharing. We need to set the correct access level. Head over to the top right corner of your Canva screen and click on Share. A pop-up window will appear with various sharing options. Here, it's important to check the access settings. Make sure that the access level is set to anyone with the link. This setting ensures that anyone who gets the link to your project can effortlessly view it without the need to request permission from you. Once you've set the access level, you can go ahead and copy the link provided. This will be the direct link to your project, and you'll want to paste it wherever you want your audience to access it, perhaps in an email, on a social media platform, or in a document. However, sometimes these links can be a bit long and unwieldy, especially if you're sharing them widely. There's a neat trick to solve this issue and make your link more manageable. You can shorten it. For this step, head over to tinyurl.com. This is a free web service that will transform that lengthy link into a compact version. On the tinyurl homepage, you'll see a field to paste your copied link. Simply place your cursor in this field, right-click and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut of your choice. Nearly there. Click the Shorten URL button on tinyurl, and just like that, you'll have a new, condensed version of your original link. This shorter link is easier to share, looks neater, and can even be customized with a unique alias if you want to make it more memorable. And there you have it. You're all set to share your Canva project effortlessly. Just send out your shiny new tinyurl link and watch your audience access your work more easily than ever before. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.